involve you in a small activity. Okay? Everyone stand up. Sit down. Stand. Hands up. Clap. Sit down. Hands down. Okay. Everyone had your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Looking too energetic. Now my question is, why do you take the food before you come? Is it required? Is food required for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shaibi?
Ma'am, food is required for us because it provides us all the carbohydrates, nutrients and roughage, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Rani?
It builds our body.
Builds the body. Good. Yes?
Ma'am, it gives us energy.
Very good. It gives us
Energy.
Yes?
Ma'am, if we don't eat food, we can't even answer a single question.
Yes. Yes. As soon as I entered the room, we have done a small activity. Yes? You know why do we do it?
We need to get energy.
For attention. Okay. Now my question is, you told food. Many answers I have got from you. Like food gives us energy, food builds us our body, food helps us to repair. Okay. Now tell me, what is energy? What is energy? Who will say? Yes.
Stamina.
Stamina. Okay. Why do we need it? For what purpose?
For resting.
Yes.
Ma'am, we need energy. We need energy for doing kind of works.
Kind of works.
Stamina is important after we run.
Okay. To run
Stamina is important for daily works.
daily activities. Very good.
Ma'am, even for playing also we need
Yes.
stamina.
Before you have done some activities like standing, sitting. Can you do without food for a long time?
No, ma'am.
Without eating food, can you do?
No, ma'am.
Without energy, can we do it?
No, ma'am.
We need energy to do any kind of works, any kind of activity. Even to stand, sit also we require
Energy.
What do we require?
Energy.
So, as you told, energy means stamina. Why do yes, capability
To do something.
to do some work. Very good. Okay, energy. Scientists define the term energy as ability to do work. Ability
To do work.
to do any kind of work we need to do. If we want to do, we need some energy. But nowadays we are not using a lot of labor work. Like what are we using instead of? We are doing smart work nowadays. Not using the hard work. Do you get the point? Yes.
Nowadays we are using technology.
Yes, we are using technology. Why we are using technology?
To make our work easier.
Yes,
To make our work easier.
to make our work easier. Very good.
Ma'am, because we need to make our work easier, instead of using hard work, we use smart work.
Smart work. Very good.
Some people say that don't do hard work, do smart work.
We can do hard work, but it requires a lot of energy. Na?
Yes.
We require a lot of energy. But using technology, as you told, requires less effort, and in less time we can complete the task. Yes, Shaili?
Yes, ma'am. The people are getting lazier, ma'am, to do work.
Okay, it's fine.
Ma'am, before in older time when you have to solve a mathematical problem, you have to do it all the stepwise, but these days AI can help us to solve these
Very good. Again, helps us. Now, I will display a video regarding this.
She's lived most, and with the click of a switch, Priyanka Ghosh's life just got better. And with the click of a switch, Priyanka Ghosh's life just got better. She's lived most of it without electricity, but now she gets 6 hours of precious power every day.
Earlier, I used to study with a kerosene lamp or a torch. My eyes became quite weak and I had to take frequent breaks. Now I can study
husks. They coat and protect the grain of rice, and farmers usually throw them away. But now an innovative technology is converting this waste into energy. So farmers are saving what has become a valuable resource. The rice husk is then brought here at this mini power plant. Piles of it are then burnt in this gas chamber, which produces enough energy to power this generator. That entire process can light up 400 different homes. It's also cleaner than burning kerosene and cheaper. The electricity produced here sold for $3 a month, less than a quarter of what a government connection costs. Much of Bihar still lives in darkness. 80 million people here have no reliable access to electricity, and Ragnesh Yadav knows what it's like to live without power. He studied in the United States but grew up in Bihar, and he set up this grid of husk power plants after seeing the situation here.
After sunset, life seems to exist because there was nothing else to do, and you can't see anything anywhere. But during the day, it was fully crowded, and this forced me to think of doing something in field of energy.
Environmentalists say India can harness such sources instead of relying on fossil fuels.
I think rice husk for us is a very strong basic point that renewables need to be established. Where they've been around, they need to be innovative and they need to actually get integrated to the local context.
Another day ends in Bihar. Without electricity, this market would have been closed by now. Today, the shops are open longer and lit better thanks to husk power. And people here say their future's that much more brighter. Prerna Surya, Al Jazeera, Bihar.
Already discussed that energy is the ability to do work, right? But here what it has what it is here, human civilization is possible because of using the technology. How they are using the changing energy from one form to another form and making it used to do the work very smarter. And this energy is of different kinds, different forms of energy we can see, like light energy, heat energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, geothermal energy, gravitational energy, hydro energy. There are different forms of energies. Okay, and we, as you told that we all need energy to do a variety of activities like walking, playing, jogging, running vehicles on the road, moving the boats, floating the boats there, and not only that, even to send the astronauts to the space also we require energy. Even to lighten the houses, schools, factories, we need energy and different forms of energy. Now this energy is in two forms, like stored form and moving form or working form. The stored energy is called as potential energy. The energy that is stored is known as potential energy, and moving energy, kinetic energy. Now, as we discussed earlier, we get food from plants. So, where do plants get food? How do they prepare food? In the process of photosynthesis, what do they use? Sunlight. So, there they are using which energy? Solar energy. They are using. So, plants are using solar energy. That energy is converted into chemical energy. Solar energy is converted to chemical energy. And this chemical energy is in the form of stored form, potential energy. It is stored in the plant body and we are taking that chemical energy until we convert it into the potential energy, until we do the work. Here solar energy is converted into chemical energy, able to do work because of the electricity. So electricity is a form of energy. So here we are changing energy from the same thing like kinetic energy. That is the working energy. How we will get it? It can be changed. Kinetic energy in the form of floating water. It is changes from. Yes?
Ma'am, like a running car, it has
Yeah. From where do we get electricity from?
from source.
How is electricity produced? Yes, biomass energy. Sit down. So now, what is energy efficiency? Energy efficiency, yes?
Lack of energy.
No, not lack of energy. Using less energy to complete our target. Okay, with complete tasks. Using less energy but making our work very easy and quicker. But here, where is the energy being wasted in day-to-day life?
When we are doing any work, ma'am, we are keeping on the lights and fans, at least one in the house every time. Ma'am.
Yes, you are right.
Ma'am, when we are leaving the class for lunch break or breakfast, we won't off the fans.
Yes, you are not turning off the lights and fans. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, some children used to play with fan, ma'am. By
Fan.
offing and on.
Okay, there also electricity is being waste.
Ma'am, while sleeping, some people will leave lights on turning on.
Yes, not only that, even we are using the chargers, electrical gadgets, always the plugs will be on switch on only, even we are using it or not. So we are wasting a lot of energy there. But the source of energy is only two types. Only two types of energy is there. Renewable energy. Non-renewable energy. Do you know what is renewable energy? Yes.
Natural energy.
Natural energy, yes.
Renewable energy is which we can't use it if we already used, ma'am.
Which we can't,
Use it again, ma'am.
which we can't use again. These are the sources that can be replenished themselves. Even they are using, they can make themselves. Renewable energy is the source of energy that can replenish themselves. After utilizing it continuously, even though it is being consumed, they are replenishing themselves. Examples?
Solar energy, water energy,
Water. Okay, they can replenish again and again. Even though, but most probably we are using the electrical energy only. That electrical energy is being wasted a lot. And non-renewable energy.
chemical energy,
Yes.
light energy,
They will
light energy,
light energy,
heat energy,
light, heat, still.
electrical energy.
These non-renewable energy, they will deplete over time. They will deplete over time. After using, once
They can't be used twice.
it takes millions of years to make it. Yes.
Ma'am, once we were created, when we deplete or when we destroy these materials, we can't again turn it back.
Yes.
Fossil
Coal, petrol, fossil fuels, all come from the
one-time use energy, ma'am.
yes, one-time use energy. And even the electricity also, if we are consuming day by day, and as you already told how and where we are wasting a lot of energy. So it's time to consume it. So what can we do to consume it, to replenish it?
We can use it We can use it less, ma'am.
Less.
Like we can save energy, not using.
When we are not using, we can turn off the gadget so that we can save energy. Then what is the another method?
Ma'am, solar energy. We can place above our house the solar panels because the sun also produces energy which is it is turning into the electric energy.
Yes, so shifting the energy system. Shifting to, now we are using non-renewable, we can shift to renewable using solar heaters, solar cookers, using the solar energy and hydro energy, windmills, yes.
Ma'am, can we use hydro energies like for electricity?
Yes. Yes, hydro energy is
Like dams,
produce electricity.
They have ribbons, ma'am, to
Yes.
produce energy.
Yes. And how can we save them?
And there's also one more tidal energy.
Tidal energy, okay. These are the different forms of energies where we are wasting, how we can consume them, and what can we do? We can use the technologies. Okay. So in this again there is a problem, like what you know, what you want to know, and what you learn. See, what you know about the renewable resources. What you want to know, what are the renewable resources? You have learned like air, water, okay, which can replenish. Even though after using a lot of time, they won't deplete it. And what you have learned? Yes, it is very useful. Renewable are very useful. And in that again, minus, plus, and interesting things are there. What is the minus? Even using the renewable, there are some disadvantages. Can anyone? Yes?
Natural disasters.
Natural disasters. How?
Well, if we use more nature sources, they can get angry.
No. We are not using it like we are not extracting them. Whatever we are getting, we are using them. Right? So, no, not natural disasters. But to make the things, to convert the renewable sources as the devices, we need to make the devices. For that, a lot of money should be spent. Whereas previously for non-renewable, for using electricity, more electrical bills are coming, right? We are wasting. So per day and per month, for each house and each street, if we calculate, a lot of energy is being wasted and power bills are coming more and environment is getting polluted. But renewable means we can make the devices, that is okay, but it costs. But one more is, it depends upon the climatic conditions, as you told. Solar, if sun is there only, we are able to get the solar energy. So it depends completely on the nature. Is the minus. And positive one is using technologies. And smart way we can use. Electrical bill will be low. Environment will be very clean and friendly. No pollution will be. And interesting things are, we can make many new devices, technologies, new items can be made, and it differs from one country to other country. So we can learn from each and everyone how can we use renewable sources in a wise manner. That's all. Okay? Let's not waste the electricity or renewable sources.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, sit down. So today we are going to do one step activity. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And related to the subject, social science. And connect our subject to the social science subject. Okay? So the topic for today's step activity is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency. Now I want to ask you something. Okay? I want the answer from your side. Now, you all used to play video games, no?
Yes, ma'am.
In the mobile, laptop, tablet, okay, computer, and all you used to play video games, okay? Now, if the battery is showing low, battery comes low, what all strategies you will take? One at a time. You will charge the mobile, okay? If there is no current, what you will do?
With the power bank.
With the power bank. Okay. If there is no power bank, what you will do?
Ma'am, we will switch it off, ma'am, and keep it.
You will switch it off. You are very much interested in the game. Okay. So at the first, what you will do?
I will take the energy from potato. Potato also has electricity.
Okay.
From the mobile, we will remove the charging device and place it under the sun.
Place it under the sun. See, if your battery is low in the mobile, you will get a message. Optimize. Have you seen that optimize energy? What Why the battery is low?
Because we want to save the battery to play for long time.
Long time. So do you know what is happening here actually? When we click the battery saving mode, the brightness will be reduced. The brightness will be taking the more charge, no? The volume will be reduced, isn't it? Or the volume will be switched off. Or
Like the white screen with the black.
that will turn to the other. Then
And no blue light will be, ma'am.
no.
Blue light.
Blue light will not be there. Okay, so the energy, what all things are using the energy, all those things will be shut down, so that we can save the energy. Okay, the unwanted apps that is playing behind the screen, that also will be shut down automatically, so that we can save the energy. We can use the energy efficiently, right? So tell me, in your life, in your real life, what are things we will do to save the energy?
Eating.
Save energy, this energy.
Yes. Offing the switches when we not use them.
Switching off, right? When we are not using the energy or the lights or the fans, whatever it is, when we are not using them, you can switch off that. Isn't it? At home, what are strategies you will take to save the energy?
Now we can use solar energy.
Yeah, solar energy, wind energy. What are those sources? Renewable sources of energy. What is meant by renewable sources of energy? Natural that will not get exhausted. It
is taken from the natural elements and it cannot be means it cannot be finished.
It will not finish, isn't it? So replenishable energies, isn't it? Renewable energies we can use again and again. So examples, which are the examples for the renewable sources of energy? Solar energy, wind energy,
Hydro,
okay,
geothermal energy,
geothermal energy, biomass, okay, different energies. So different types of energies are there, no? That can be used for saving the energy.
But renewable energy cannot last for long.
But renewable source of energy we can utilize more. Okay, it will not get exhausted. Okay. Now you want to the energy efficiency. What is meant by the term energy efficiency?
Ability to do the work. The ability to do.
Energy efficiency.
The capacity to do the work is called energy.
That is energy. Energy efficiency. What is meant by energy efficiency?
The energy.
Saving energy or using energy. Can we say using energy efficiently?
Yes, wisely we can use
energy wisely. Using energy wisely without wasting. So that can be this term can be said like this, right? Okay, using the energy wisely without wasting the energy. Okay. Now, what are the importance? Can you tell me some what we can say the benefits of this saving the energy? Some environmental benefits are there. If you save the energy, we will have some environmental benefits. Economic benefits are there. Okay, social benefits are there. Can you tell me some environmental benefits by saving the energy?
Greenhouse gases will reduce.
Greenhouse gases will be reduced, right? Then pollution can be reduced. Okay. So
Don't use.
good. Sit down. Then can you tell me economically how it is benefiting?
By saving the money.
By saving the energy, the electricity bills can be reduced. So that will help us to save our money. So that can be considered as an economically efficient benefit. No, economic. Then social benefit. So socially, how it is benefiting social lives. Social benefit. When we are utilizing this energy less. Now we are conserving this energy for the future generations, right? So they can also utilize these energies properly. If we are wasting the energy, they will be facing the issues later. The future generations will be facing the issues, right? Okay. Now we will divide the class into four or five groups. Okay. I'll give you 4 or 5 topics. Each group will work on that and you want to come up with the answers. Okay? So 5 groups, I want 3 groups. We will. First group, second group, third group, is it fine?
Yes.
Now shall I give you some questions?
Yes.
Okay. So you want to discuss. Okay. Group activity you want to discuss together. What first group can be here? Come on. Stand here in circle. Group A, your question is, what are some ways we use energy at home? Okay, in what all ways we are using the energy at home? Okay, team B, your question. Come on, sir. How can we use energy more wisely at school? Okay, how can we use energy more wisely at school? Now team 3, together. You can stand there. It's a third row. Third row, your question is, what are some creative ways to save energy when traveling? Okay, what are some creative ways or there are creative ways to save energy while you are traveling? What is that? Ready with your answers? Everyone discuss and come up with 4 or 5 points. Yes, 5 minutes only for the discussion. Okay, 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, come up with the answer. First, turn to here. Wait. So, all are ready with your points?
Yes.
What was your question?
Where we use energy in our home.
Okay. In what all ways you are using energy at your home? Okay. So, if you are ready, you can write your points over the. Okay, give a chance to others.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So they are ready with their points. Okay, but at home, where we are using the energy? We are using energy. In kitchen, we are using the energy. How we are using the energy? Electrical energy. Electric appliances we are using. No, mixer grinder is using. Then oven, microwave oven. Oven is using. Chimney is using. Electric chimney is using. Okay. So okay. Now bedroom.
AC,
Isn't it? Okay, then washroom, bathroom.
lights, freezer, washing machine, trimmer.
Isn't it? So cooling and heating appliances we are using. So all are aware of that, no? Where we are using these appliances? Okay. Now team A, you can be in your place. Now team B. What was the question?
How can we more wisely in school?
Okay, how can we use energy more wisely at school? Isn't it? Okay, ready with your points? Okay, now start writing the points. Make the point short. What is the point? Tell me the point.
We should use energy wisely when we want it.
Okay. So,
And bikes. team C. Team C. Fix it.
Okay, so here we have discussed, see, I told you what are the energy, how we are utilizing the energy, electrical energy most. Okay, you have mentioned your points here. Here the second team have written how efficiently we can use energy at school, how we can save the energy at school. Okay, switching off if it is not in use, we can switch off the fans, lights, ACs and all. So like this we can do unplugging. Then here the team C has written while traveling, how you can avoid the consumption of energy, right? So by you can use public transportation. Then we can walkable distance if it is no, you don't want to use your vehicles, you can walk, or bicycle you can use. Then one point you can add here is carpooling. Have you heard of carpooling? Carpooling for saving the energy. What is that? If we are going to the same destination, that group of persons can use single car or vehicle for the traveling. Instead of using individual transportation of the vehicles, no, you can use a single vehicle if you are going to the same destination. That is called as carpooling. That also can be used here to save the energy. So this is the summary of the today's STEM class. Okay, understood? So I'll give you one home assignment that you want to prepare a poster. Okay, regarding what? To make the people aware about the importance of saving energy. That should be the topic. Okay, that is the topic, and based on that you want to prepare a poster. Okay, understood today's topic?
Ma'am, first one is
But here we can environmental benefits they have written. Okay, mention that.
But they use the electric vehicles, they're going to waste more energy though, ma'am.
But the solar energy alone we can use if we want to charge the vehicle, electrical vehicles. Okay, other forms of energies we can use no, for charging and all. Okay, so that are the things we have discussed today. Okay, so what did you understand from today's activity?
We can use energy in so many ways.
Wisely we can use that. Even if it is a small action, that will matter a lot for the future generation or for us itself. It will matter a lot if you are taking a small action from your side. So you should take the initiative to save the energy for yourself and for the future generation. Okay? Yeah? Done? Okay. Thank you everyone.
So children, before I tell you what we are going to learn about today, let's try to get a gist of it through reading the story. So shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Krishna Manohar, you can start reading. Go ahead. First line, just one line. Go ahead.
Once upon a time, there was a family living in a small town. The
Johnsons.
Johnsons is bus family.
Busy family.
Busy family.
Next. Quickly.
Of four were always concerned about their electricity bills, which seemed to rise every month. They noticed that even though they tried to turn off lights and unplug devices, when not in use, their home still used to more energy than they expected. One day, Mr. Johnson read about a smart home in a magazine. A smart home used
Evidence technology to save energy,
Optimize.
optimize heating and cooling and making homes.
And make homes. Okay. So children, do we have any problem here? Okay, Rishi, answer. What's the problem?
In a family, there was a long electricity bill coming. Even if they unplug the devices or turn on the light every time they exit the room, still the electricity bill was every time rising.
It was high. Okay. Akhil, stand up. So tell me, what is the main issue here? So do you think only this family is suffering with this problem, or we all are suffering with this problem? All of us are suffering. Okay, so what is the basic problem here? That we are not using, what are we not using efficiently? We are not using energy efficiently. bill?
Ma'am, because we on the fans and not off it, ma'am. But we
And?
are on the switches and not off.
Okay, very good.
And we will keep the charging for the smartphones and we will just leave it by not switching off the switch.
Okay, very good. Yes.
We are wasting electricity.
Okay, we're wasting electricity through what? I mean, how?
Means like keeping on the electricity.
Okay, what else?
Ma'am, like the water heater in the bathroom, we keep it on even after the water is heated and we're done bathing.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, we turn on fans, turn on lights and fans, and remove sunrise without offing it.
Yes, that's a very common problem that happens all the time. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Have any other reasons that you know of? Yes, Divyanshi.
Ma'am, like after washing our clothes in washing machine, just we'll use it and we'll leave it, we'll not off the switch. Ma'am.
Very good. So children, that is called power standby. What is it called?
Power standby.
Now, children, you know, when we have the TVs are plugged in all the time. Yes or no?
Yes.
But do we watch the TV 24/7?
No.
We do not watch the TVs, but they are on standby. They are still consuming electricity. Yes or no? That is one of the problems. Now, we have spoken about homes. Let us talk about school. Yes.
Ma'am, at school and when we go to lunch break or breakfast, we won't stop off the projector.
Okay, sometimes you won't switch on off the projector. Yes, Advaita.
Ma'am, when we go to outside, we will not switch off the fans and lights, ma'am.
Yes, fans and electricity, yes.
Ma'am, when going to library and dance halls, we won't think about the electricity. Ma'am.
Yes, we won't think about the electricity. So children, tell me. So, usually we do this at home and we do this in school. So who do you think is suffering because of this? Who is suffering? Us. Who is suffering? Us. So children, our aim through this project, we are aiming to make an energy efficient system. What are we aiming to make? An energy efficient system. So let's continue reading. Ramit, start.
One day, Mr. Johnson read about the smart home in a magazine. Smart home uses advanced technology to save energy.
Stop. Next.
Advanced technology to save energy.
Optimize
Help
heating
and cooling
and make homes. Next.
more eco-friendly. Curious, the Johnson decided to give it a try and hired a team to
Next.
Install solar panel on their roof. Replace their old
Light bulbs.
with energy
Efficient.
efficient and
ED.
lights and
Add.
are smart
Thermostat.
that are
Then
automatically adjusted the temperature when they were awake or sleeping.
Okay. Next. Continue.
Hitting which the Johnsons noticed a big difference. Their electricity bills were lower.
And the home always felt comfortable without wasting energy. The smart
Thermostat. Next.
Knew exactly when to heat the house in winters and cool it in summers. So no energy was
wasted.
Next.
Wasted, the solar panels provided heat energy from the sun, reducing the need to buy
Electricity from the grid.
Next. Continue.
Not only did the Johnsons save money, but they also felt good knowing they were helping the planet by using renewable energy and reducing their carbon footprint.
Okay. Next.
were doing their part to protect the environment. Over time, more of that neighbors
adopted similar energy efficient system and soon the whole neighborhood was
Okay. Let's finish it off. Next.
adopted
was running on less energy, contributing to a cleaner, greener world.
Okay, very good. Now who can tell me where do we get, so we have all this lighting, we have all this energy, we are using electricity. Where is it coming from? What is our main source of electricity? Okay, Shai, answer.
Solar energy.
We are using solar energy. Where do we have solar panels on top of our school?
No.
Has anybody seen? No. So how?
Water.
We don't have hydroelectric power also in our school. Yes, Raman? Thermal? No. Okay, non-renewable energy. Which form of non-renewable energy are we using? Lekshit. Which form of non-renewable energy are we using? Okay, answer. Coal. Very good. Coal. What are we using? Coal. What are we using? Coal. Children, we are using coal. Coal is it's a source of energy, yes? Yes. Okay, so basically how many types of energy, sources of energy do we have? Renewable. And they are? Renewable. What do you mean by renewable? Which does not end, which does not end, or which does not finish. Okay, what is non-renewable source? Which is going to finish. Now, the coal that we are talking about is non-renewable source of energy, yes? It's non-renewable source of energy. What does non-renewable source of energy mean, children? That means it's going to deplete. That means there will be a time when it's going to finish. Yes?
Going to have a limit.
Yes. And it's a fossil fuel. Am I right, children? Yes, ma'am. What are fossil fuels? Tell me. What are fossil fuels?
We get it from the dead.
How much time does it actually take to form
Millions or billions years.
millions and billions of years. So at the rate which we are using electricity, soon we'll run out of coal. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think it will be available for our future generations? No, we cannot, right? So what do you think? Should we stop using this or shall we continue? Stop. Okay, now another problem. If we stop using, then what are we going to use? What are we going to use? Sit.
Wind energy also.
Okay, so these are, what energy sources are these? These are renewable. What are these? These are renewable sources of energy. Okay, so we can use wind. What else can we use, children?
Solar energy.
Solar, what else? Okay, hydro. Okay, what else? Thermal, very good. Yes, biomass. Okay, very good. Now, children, I'll just give you a bit of insight on solar. Do you know the government is encouraging people to use renewable sources of energy. That is, do you know that if you install a solar panel at home, okay, so the government is ready to pay 75% of it. And then you know when the government is actually paying you 75% of it and you start using it, you won't have any bill. But in turn the government will give you some money. All this time whenever you're using this form of energy, you are paying the government. Yes or no? Yes. But in this, if you install the solar panels, the government will pay you. So the government is lending a hand, okay? The government is doing all, but it is we. You know what we think? For installing a solar panel, you know, it will cost us about 5 to 6 lakhs. So that is some cost. We think of it this way, but you know, once installed, you will never get an electricity bill. We don't think of it that way. Anyway, we are giving we are paying electricity of 5,000, 7,000, when we have summers. So we are not thinking it that way. So if you think rationally, it's good that we install solar panels. Okay. Now children, when we are talking about this, in the paragraph, Mr. John Yes or no? A smart home. How did he make it a smart home?
Solar panels.
Okay, what else? You have many other things here.
Solar panels.
Saving energy.
Okay, more eco-friendly. So he started using. What is the difference between LED lights and the normal lights you use? Tell me. Come on, you have to give your inputs because at the end, we are going to write a persuasive essay persuading people to use the renewable sources of energy and how to save energy and use it efficiently. Yes.
Ma'am, LED means limited, ma'am.
Okay.
So it causes only limited electricity to use
Okay, fine.
instead of old lights.
Okay, so the energy consumption that is done by the LED lights is almost about 70 to 80% less. And what else? What are the other advantages of using LED lights?
Ma'am, they have sensors.
They have, okay. No, they do not have sensors. A few of them, not all. Okay, what else? What else? They give less heat, children. They give less heat. And it's more sustainable. It runs for a long time. Okay. Now children, one thing we do not realize is sometimes we are using old gadgets at home. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these old gadgets, they consume more power. What do they consume? More power. This is something we do not know. We are like, when something is working, why to buy a new one? But these old things consume more power. Okay? So we should, if we can, we should replace them by new gadgets. Another thing that we should use is, read this children, what is this? Any idea what it is?
Ma'am, adjust the room temperature.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, it's like if the room temperature is hot, it is so like thermometer, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we are like sleeping or doing any routine, if it's like we have a climatic change, like seasons are coming, so it helps the room to make it normal
Okay.
temperature.
It automatically adjusts the temperature. Like for example, children, if you're switching on an AC, okay? Let's say you keep the temperature 22, okay? It's getting cold. Now, unless and until you don't do it manually, it doesn't work. Yes or no?
Yes,
But when you have a smart thermostat, it automatically adjusts the temperature. So at a certain temperature, it would be running, and at the same time, if it feels it's too cold, it will automatically increase or decrease the temperature depending on whatever the situation is. So this is a smart thermostat. So if we use smart devices, there's something else, children. I want somebody to tell me. There's something else we can use, which can come in handy. Children, have you ever seen sensors?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen that? So it's like, until and unless, for example, if I leave the classroom, automatically everything will be switched off. It's a sensor. It automatically senses people coming and going. So it automatically happens. That is one way it can be done. So how we are going to inculcate the STEM into our lesson is, we are going to write an essay, a persuasive essay persuading people to use energy efficient systems. Okay children? So moving ahead, we have a scenario here. Let's read this scenario. Okay, let's read this. Come on. So let's connect it. Okay, come on. Alex? Okay, continue.
The air conditioner and their video game console was always how even when not in use. At school, it was the same story.
Have you read it, children?
Yes.
We did?
Yes.
Okay, let's read factories. Okay, how? Sadan, continue.
Ma'am, by wasting energy we pollute the air, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Rishi.
Ma'am, when we on the switches we do not get high electricity bill or waste electricity. We also produce some greenhouse gases which will
Exactly.
ozone layer.
Exactly, children. When we are burning these sources of energy, many gases are given out. Gases are given out. So that contribute to the pollution of the environment. That contribute to the pollution of the environment. Now, okay. So what we are going to do is, okay, Alex's idea is simple. He wants to reduce energy wastage. Bhumika, come and write one way that what he can do to save electricity. Let's talk about home first. So how can he reduce the wastage of electricity at home? So children, what we are going to do right now is, we are going to write a story wherein either you can mention the problem or you can show the solution of how we can use energy efficiently through your story. So that is going to be your homework. We'll be carrying on this lesson, and at the end of the lesson we are going to write a persuasive essay. But this is your homework for today. You need to write a short story on the scenario or on the topic that we have discussed today. That is energy efficient systems. Are we clear, children?
Yes.
Everyone? Are we good to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to check your work tomorrow.
So you people are learning about many things from the different subjects, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Lakshita, what you have learned yesterday from the science subject?
We learned how to don't use more energy and saving of energy.
Don't use more energy and saving your energy. Okay, next. Yes, Jyoti. What else you have learned?
We have learned that what is energy and how can we save it.
Okay, how can we save it? Yes, Divyanshi. Some social subject have you learned something?
Sir, while traveling, how we can save the energy and how we can use the energy.
Okay, while traveling. Yes, Rami.
Max, we learned that work into time is equal to energy.
Okay, fine. So you have learned many things and you have some idea how much we are wasting and how much we are not using properly and how much energy we are unnecessarily using in the unnecessary times. Okay? And you also plan something to create. Yes? Okay. For that, I know you will not get all the material. For that, I have got some specific items to utilize as per your idea, and I made one market for you all. Okay? That is none other than, say, Adani STEM market. I have played somewhere. Okay? Do you brought money? No. Okay. Further, for you people also, I brought some money for you all. Okay? Here, can you see the tokens here?
Yes,
Yeah. 50 rupees, 20 rupees, and also I have 100 rupees, 100, 150, 200. Okay? Here, the amount will be given. Okay? As we already know, we have 3 groups, right? We already have 3 groups, okay? Those 3 groups, I will keep a book there, okay? Those who are taking the amount, they have to mention how much money you are taking, okay? And whatever you are going to purchase, there is a price for the item, okay? That price you will ask me and you will give me the money back. And I will also going to tally this money along with the purchased items. Okay, is it clear? So everyone will come and purchase, or from group one only will come? One group, 1 students. Okay, fine. So here I am giving the amount there and I am giving one notes over there. Okay, you whatever you are taking the amount, you will write your name and you will write how much money you are taking from my bank. This is my bank. Okay, and how much you are going to spend, I will check over there. Is it clear? Yes. Everyone? Okay, are you ready? Yes. Yeah. So you are excited to see the Adani STEM market?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. First of all, we will go and see the market, how it is looking like. Okay? Yes. Group A, please stand up. And next group B. And next group C, please come. Yes. Welcome to the market. Okay, you can see there are so many items are there, which is we can utilize for the electrical, and we can also use wires are there, and there are some connectors are there, some sensors are there, many things are there. Okay, as we are discussing how to connect the sensors also in the last classes. In the robotics we have learned. Okay, how to connect the sensors and how to do the things. Only the one thing is soldering part I will take care. Okay, remaining people you can see your items, what you require. You can observe for the 2 minutes. Okay, as per your idea what you want, you can observe what you want to purchase as well. Okay, there are the few items I kept. You can discuss. Please be specific what you are going to purchase, because it is all about your the prototype which you are going to create using the sensors. You just check and come back. After that you can take the money. Yeah, you can go and take the money. I kept one notebook here. Not all together, one by one. Okay? This is our pen. You have pen? Write your name and what amount you are going to take. It's 75 rupees. And you will ask me the price. Okay? Okay. You can sit with the group and you can collect the money from there. You come and ask me. Yes. Only one group, one student will come to purchase. Okay? You can discuss your idea and you can come. Yeah. The price is around 2,500. Yeah. Please take your 100 rupees back. Give my money back. 2,200. What group? A. Group A is in this pocket. Okay? Yeah. Your sensors are missing. Please take your sensors. Yeah. Please go and start working. You can open it. Yes. LEDs. See, where are the LEDs? Yeah. Wait, I will tell you the price. Okay? How many LEDs you are taking? Sorry. One LED you want, 2 LEDs you want?
2 will take.
2.
2 will take.
Okay. 1 and 2 LEDs.
Yeah.
Okay. Sensor you want? Sensor is cost 500 rupees. Yes. Sensor is 500 rupees.
That change.
Change. You have 200 and 100 also.
100.
Go and purchase. Go and bring it please.
Yes.
Because sensor is 500 rupees. You have to bring 500 for one sensor. Yes, yes. That is your wish. This is 200 rupees, this set. This is set is 200 rupees. Yes, again, what do you want to purchase?
We can take this.
Okay.
This one you want, sir.
Okay.
This batteries.
Okay.
This one, sir.
Okay. So this QC passed. Okay. The cost is 150 rupees.
The battery for it.
Yes. And the windmill user. Again 150.
We are taking battery.
The clay 100 rupees. And the rotator which comes here, it's a 75 rupees. Yeah. And there is a DC motor along with the fan. DC motor along with the fan. It's a 750 rupees. Yes, 750 rupees. You are going to use scissor? Or you want scissor? If you want, I will give one. Okay, wait. Let them finish. You want that board? Safety board? Nana, you decide. Okay. So the sensors, if you want you can comment. Sensors and resistors are there. Again this cost around 500 rupees. And there is a board, electrical board to connect your wires. It's a 500 rupees again. Please pay the 500, 750, 1,750 rupees. And again, this is 75, 1,700, 1,825, 100, 1,925 and 100, 2,025, 2,125 you have to pay. 125. You can go and get the money. 125. Okay, give me the money. He's giving the money to me. 2,125. Yes, you got. Okay,
Sir,
fine.
Can we discuss it?
Yeah, I am giving free of cost the paper also to you. Okay? That is a gift voucher for you. New Year gift. Okay? Yeah, please take and start making your prototype. I don't know what is that. You see? What is this? Glass. Are you going to purchase?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please hurry up.
This is sensor, sir.
Yes.
I can sacrifice. Everyone will see.
Oh, chalo.
Okay. Move back. But we don't know. Move back.
What move
Yes, we
back?
will object. For the base we need. Move back.
First we paint. Paint how?
Huh? Paint.
We have clay.
We have color sheet.
Yeah. We have color sheet also.
We haven't taken a lot of.
We also have New Year present we got.
We also got.
So how will I stick it?
What do you think?
But they want place.
We'll keep it aside.
Tape.
I got tape. Tape even
So what will do first? It is
I don't have any place, that's why we are asking.
together will do one. Yeah, magnets. No, I don't get it.
So it's not.
We have magnets.
So that magnets is there.
Guys,
So this will be magnets.
We are going to make a piston rotate.
The ties is there.
we have to record.
Please,
Go easy. We both know it.
at least
Tape. We have tape.
Straight or we need to this is a big process.
where you want to stick it?
Be careful with your hands, I'm telling you.
Oh, wait a minute, you know. How we can stick it? They have a motor.
We can use hands.
Tape we should use.
That side will stick. See which side is good. That side won't stick.
This is not good.
So this side you supposed to stick the tape. Back side, yeah. Everybody is making something. You have to flip it.
No, don't use. Give tape. Use tape.
One screw the tape. One screw the tape. Two tapes we have.
Adjust.
What is this?
It will not like this also at that time. We need the material we get to one will stick. Will get pocket with which?
So you all are making with your given products?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try. Whatever your prototype is going to come, let's you will see. Okay. Only the one thing is that soldering part I will help. Okay. Whatever the soldering part is there, that I will help. First of all, build your whatever you are thinking, how to save the energy and how to make the efficient system. Yes.
Sir, means you will help us with the technology.
Yeah.
Let's make dual layer.
It is not nice.
Then you have to just fix your things and get it done. Okay? That we already have the sample picture, right, in our brain, how to connect to the sensor, and last project we did. Okay? The same way we are going to connect it as per your plan. Is it clear? Okay. And I will check your homework in the afternoon session. Okay? Whatever your project you are doing, afternoon session I will see. Okay? Let it come. Thank you.
बैटरी हमारी बैटरी
Sir, हमारे पास. इसको बता दे.
We had wire, no?
Be careful.
First to make the
House.
project small told it won't write to be.
टिल्टेड करना है ना, टिल्टेड करना है।
अरे तू निकाल मत अपने हाथ से एक भी पोस्ट कर दूंगा अजीब चीजें बोला ऊपर नहीं साइड को जा साइड को जा तू पकड़ भाई को पकड़ अरे नहीं sir this also we need to remove sir yeah that
Your wish.
that's
remove that also that you get
तो निकल जाता है टेप ही निकल जाता है थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग
Sir, we need help in soldering, sir.
Okay, you people need soldering?
Yes, sir.
You all are ready with your plan how to connect?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you whatever the devices you required, you just keep there. I will call our electrician Bhaiya to help us in the soldering. Okay? Chalo.
okay sir
That windmill also you are going to stick? Shastra, you start sticking that. You can use cello tape. I don't have any issue. Later we can stick properly.
I don't think so. Please take the.
put it fast otherwise it dry
Press it. Keep it inside.
Press it a bit.
Press fully inside. It will stay. Press it.
It's good project now.
Let me go outside. This side more. Press it inside only. This is a small prototype of energy efficiency.
We made minimum changes of it using technology. And this is windmill and it will work with wind energy, and even we can store wind energy in batteries.
This house uses wind energy stored in this battery with the help of the sensors and light up the whole place when it's night time.
When it is dark, it uses some sensors to switch off the lights.
So whenever the sensor will come, your light will blow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Can I try?
Yes, sir.